Ola Electric is gearing up to begin deliveries of its scooters from tomorrow. The company had earlier planned to make these deliveries during October and November. However, the plans hit speed breakers. Parikshit joins us now with more. Parikshit, so deliveries to start on the 15th of December. What about fresh bookings and manufacturing?
Well, Ola Electric is saying that they will start delivering scooters pan-India from the 15th of December. The first 40 to 50 customers are likely to be called to the Ola campus in Bengaluru for a special event. Now, there have been a lot of media reports and reviews also about the scooter facing battery heating issues. The company clarifying that the scooter which will now go to market will have the final software configuration and it will have OTA updates, and there are no battery heating issues. So that's the version coming from the company. Now, deliveries will continue through December. What we're told, while the company is not commenting on the exact number of scooters that will be delivered, they say all customers who had been given a window for delivery between the 15th of December to the 31st of December will get their scooters during this period. The second delivery window would likely be the 15th of January to the 31st of January as well. The scooters were slotted for delivery between the October to November period, but then you had Bhavesh Agarwal saying that there is a chip shortage, there is a shortage of electronic parts, because of which deliveries have to be delayed as well. We have been learning from our sources in the industry that the company has been facing supply chain issues. They're working on supply chain management, and they've had production and quality issues which they have been working on. But the company now saying they're completely geared up for delivery across the country. Test rides are happening all across the country as well, and the scooters that customers get will have the final software version, and there are no glitches with the battery as well. But the final test for Ola Electric begins now when the customers get the scooters in hand.
All right, Parikshit, many thanks for joining us. With that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of the CNBC TV 18 special. Stay tuned, more news continues.